Hi friends, today I will explain. I am starting a development related course, okay, and I will mainly focus on three topics. Those are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and coming to HTML, it's a hypertext markup language, everybody knows, and it's a declarative language. For suppose if you mentioned if you write a one paragraph, that only paragraph. Once you mention anything that describe only that thing only, and it's like just HTML document where you can write articles, you can write news, images, send images, videos, audios, etc. And in HTML, each tag have a closing and ending tags, and these are called elements. And coming to HTML tags, these are the mainly used in HTML document. These are some of the tags: paragraph, heading tags, some italic, bold, strong tags, black code, site, subscript, superscript, order list, unordered list, data term, data function, data definition, code, break, text area, entity tags. These are some entity tags, and these are links and navigation bar. We can use this tag, and we can insert any images. We can use image source, alt will height, and these are some responsive images. We can use these tags, and these are some table. We can use table row, table head, table data tags, and I only mentioned the opening tags. There are also closing tags. And coming to CSS, CSS stands for a cascading style sheet. It's a it defines a styling for web pages. So whenever you want to make your web page more attractive, then you can use style sheets, and these are some of the style sheets used in web pages, like animations, colors, selectors, etc. And coming to finally JavaScript. JavaScript defines interactivity, means interaction between the user and browser. Whenever you have some interaction with the browser, then you have used JavaScript. This is some information or introductory related information about web development. And next I will start HTML course full depthly, and I also